guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. We are going to be doing a PR haul and unboxing. I love doing these here on my channel and you guys always seem to enjoy them. So if you are ready to see the packages I got this week, let's get started. Going to dive in this week. We got this first package right now from Colourpop, and I always get so excited getting packages from Colourpop. They were one of the first brands that I got into when I first started like really getting into makeup, so it's really kind of full circle to get packages from them. So let's see what they sent over. So inside it says, "Give it to me straight." This is an eyeshadow palette. And let's see what this looks like. I love the formula of their eyeshadow palettes. I feel like they're so good. Ooh, this is a nude one. Actually, this is really pretty. So here's the inside of the palette. It's just like a bunch of nude shades. And I feel like with a lot of their palettes, they do a lot of like colorful palettes. So I kind of am excited to have just like a more neutral palette from them. Here are a few of the swatches. So that's actually really pretty, and I don't remember like seeing this one released. I'm not sure how old this palette is, but definitely very pretty from Colourpop. We have 4 different shades of their Velvet Blur. This is their Luxe lipstick formula, Velvet Blur. I don't know if I've tried the Velvet Blur. I've tried like the matte Luxe lipsticks. So this one is Hey Mr. DJ. I'm gonna see what this shade looks like. I love the packaging of these lipsticks. I just think it looks really like high end. I think it's really nice. Ooh, this happened last time. I wonder if that's just like a thing, because this one has like the top is kind of like got stuck on the top. I wonder if it's like, it doesn't seem to come loose, but if you guys remember a few PR unboxings ago when I got a lipstick from them, it kind of had the same thing where like the top like looks like it's stuck to the top of the lid. So I don't know if that's like a manufacturing thing, but here's what that shade looks like. It looks really pretty. And then I'm gonna swatch another one of the shades. I'm gonna swatch Love. This one looks like a nice nude shade. This swatch, it kind of looks like more of like a deeper, very like reddish nude. Super cute. Thank you Colourpop for sending over this package to me. The next box I'm getting into came over from Winky Lux. Always have the cutest boxes. So it says, "But first makeup." Isn't that cute? So fun. So inside, aw, this is cute. It's like a little Valentine. So it says Winky Lux. This is the Smitten palette. Look at this packaging, how cute. And so let's open the box. Okay, so the packaging of the palette is an actual heart. This is so cute. So this is the Smitten palette. And let's open it up. Aw, fun. So it has the shades in the inside right here. So it looks like there are 6 different shades. I'm gonna swatch a couple of these. I've tried a few Winky Lux palettes, and I do think that the formula of their eyeshadows is really nice, especially their shimmer shades. So there are the swatches of those colors. I like that green. I feel like that's a really unique color, the green is. So that's a cute little palette. It doesn't have a mirror, but I love the packaging on here. I think it's really pretty. And then also in here, there is a lip product. So let's see what this one is. This is a Kiss Me. This is Seal My Heart lip product. Let's see what it looks like. Their packaging of their lipsticks is really cute too. They have like these little bullets. I think it's so fun. Oh my god, look at this. So it's like a little heart. I almost don't even want to swatch this. I think I'm not going to, because I want to do like an Instagram video. Don't you think that would be fun? For like a little Instagram video, like applying it. So I'm not going to swatch this one, but this is really cute. It's the Steal My Heart Kiss Me. And it's one of those ones that has like a deeper color in the middle. So kind of like one of those ombre lips. So I'll have to try that out. Look for that in an Instagram video. I'll definitely be doing that. And then there's like some little sweethearts in here at the bottom. Which you guys remember these candies, like the little sweetheart ones that like have little sayings on them? I used to love getting these, but I hate the taste of them. I just feel like they're gross. So the next box we have here is from DermaE. So the card says, "New year, same beautiful you. Cheers to a new year and another chance to be beautiful." That is really cute. And inside we have the Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask, which I have tried. And we also have, I'm assuming, yes, the Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. So this is like a charcoal scrub, and then we have the charcoal mask. Charcoal is always really good for kind of just like drawing out the impurities in your skin and just kind of giving you like a clean slate, especially for makeup. I love doing these like after a full face of makeup, just kind of like detoxing satisfying your skin. So I love DermaE, and this is one that I have tried before and I do really like, so thank you so much for sending me over another backup of those. Okay, and then the next package is from a new brand, so this is called Goodie, I believe. G-A-D-E, Goodie is how I would pronounce it. And I just opened the box, but I haven't actually opened it. So inside, it says, Happy New Year, hope you enjoy your Glam Hour collection. This is our most glamorous hour yet. Okay, so like I said, I've never tried this brand, so it says your gift, and it has like a little box here. So let me open this up. I love the packaging so far. I think it's really cute. So inside, okay, so the packaging looks really luxurious of the products so far. So let's see, this is the Everglow Metallic Palette. Really cute nude packaging, and let's see the inside. Oh, cute. This is a highlighting palette. So here is what that one looks like. Super, super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead, ooh, they feel really buttery. Give a swatch of all of these shades. Of course, I always say, let me know in the comment section if there are any products you guys wanna see me trying in like a first impression. These look gorgeous. Wow, they swatched really, really nice. I think the only ones that would probably be like really wearable on me would be these two lighter shades. The other two I'm gonna have to use as like a topper, maybe like a bronzer topper or something, but super, super cute. Ooh, those are exciting because they feel really, really buttery. Like they look like they're gonna be a highlight that doesn't look super texturizing on your skin, which is always what I prefer. And then we have the Everglow. This is a liquid highlighter from them. Let me know if you guys have ever heard of this brand, because they did reach out to me and ask if they could send me a few products. And I said, of course. So here is the liquid highlighter, but I haven't really ever heard of them much prior to them reaching out to me. I am excited to give these a try. So the next one is the Crystal Lights Lip Gloss, and this one is in the shade Gold Glitz. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. You have a little mirror here, which I always think it's cute when people do the mirrors. Ooh, this is one like the, this one reminds me of the Gerard Cosmetics because it has the light up lip gloss container, which I think is cool. It has like a little light on there. It's like not a really container, but like the component. Ooh, this is a pretty color. I like this. I used to not be into like glittery lips, but I like glitter in my lip glosses. I think that's really pretty. I'm actually gonna apply a little of this. Let's put on a little bit over top of what I have and see. It smells really good. It definitely looks very wet on the lips. I think this is pretty. And then what else do we have in here? There is a Dramatic Volume Mascara. And then we also have a eyeliner, an Everlasting Eyeliner Crayon. And then it looks like there's one last thing in here. I think that maybe this is, yes, an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Glam Hour palette. I love when palettes have red packaging because I feel like nobody does red packaging. I don't know why. Maybe it's just like not an aesthetic thing. But for me, whenever I see red packaging, I always get so excited. Okay, so really pretty. It's just like a matte red with the black. I think it's really sleek. All right, and here is the palette. Really, really nice. It looks like we have a few mattes in here. And then I think these are even, yes, they are some glitter shades. So we got, it looks like two glitter shades. And we have some foiled shades. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of these next to our lip gloss here. So we have the glitter shade on the top, which isn't gonna swatch that well, but then we have the two other shimmers right there. And those actually look really, really promising. They feel really nice. Like I said, new brands, I'm always really excited to find new brands just because I feel like a lot of times we hear about the same brands over and over, and I always like testing out new products, so I'll definitely be giving these ones a try. And let me know again if you guys want to see me use these like in a video or anything, because I'll definitely do that for you guys. And then next up we got something from Becca, which is always really exciting when we get packages from Becca in the mail. So it looks like we have some lip colors. So these are our Ultimate Lipstick Club Love Collection. So I wonder if these are the same formula as the ones that were in the Chloe and Malika, like those bullet lipsticks, because those work so well. I really, really like those, like the formula of those. So here's what the box looks like. Super cute gold box here. Sent over these cards with it, which I think are really, really cool. So it looks like they have 5 different, like they have the natural nudes, cool nudes, warm nudes, cool reds, and warm reds. So basically all the different shades of red and shades of nude, and it shows you here how to find like your perfect one. So it has here, look at this, this is really cool. So it shows you just like the different reds and the different like undertones in the nudes, like how to find your perfect nude. I think this is awesome. So cool. And they have matching lip liners with the lipsticks. So this one is Sea Sugar, and I am going to pull this one out. The packaging on the actual packaging, like the gold, is really pretty. And then we have a gold like bullet. And ooh, this is a pretty nude. So here's what that one looks like. I'll give it a swatch. It does feel like the same formula as the Malika ones, like just feeling it on my hands. So here's what that one looks like. It's kind of like my favorite kind of nude. Super pretty. That one again, this one was Sea Sugar. And let's see what other ones we have. We have the Petal. This one is the Sea Petal. I wonder if they're all sea. No, some of them are, yeah. So it looks like they are all, so they sent me W and C. So that must just be like what, let's see in here. So they sent me the cool. So these are gonna be all of the cool, and then the warm are gonna be, so the ends are the neutral undertones, and then these ones are the cool undertones, which is actually what I prefer in my nudes. So it's kind of good that they sent me the cool ones. So this one is Petal. This is a cool nude again. So pretty. And then I want to try some of the warm ones. So we have a few of the warm reds. So this one is Scarlet. And again, this one's going to be a red. So this is going to be a warm red. This one here is Scarlet. Really pretty. There's that. They did send me a warm nude as well. So this one is in the shade Bear. So I will swatch this one next to the cool nude just so you guys can kind of see the difference. I just think it's really cool that they're marketing this kind of like a nude for everyone. So there is the warm one first, and then you have the cool nude right next to each other. And then they also have lip liners as well, which correlate with the shades. So there are, these are called the Ultimate Lip Definers. So I had the shade Playful and then also the shade Low Maintenance. And I went ahead and swatched them both right down here, so you guys could kind of see. My camera doesn't want to focus, but there are the two lip liners, and they do have a sharpener on the end, and then they are just like a creamy lip liner. So I'm excited to try out these lip products, and if they are the same formula, which they do look to be the same formula from the BFF collection, I feel like I'm really gonna like these. So I'm excited to have some more like nudes and some more reds. I think these look really pretty. We just have a few more packages to get into. So this one said it came over from BOXYCHARM, but it's just like a little bag, so I'm not sure what is inside of here. All right, so it says, "Hi love, we have a huge announcement and we want you to be the first to reveal it." So it says, "We are finally excited to announce that we are going to be featuring the Better Than Sex mascara in the February BOXYCHARM." So that's pretty exciting. So they sent over a Better Than Sex mascara. I know this is so many people's like favorite, holy grail, favorite mascara. So that's actually really exciting that it's going to be in the February box. I love my BOXYCHARMs, so that's really cool. All right, so this last box here is from Patchology, and let's see what is inside. First off, I see an Amazon gift card, which, hello, I live for purchasing things on Amazon. It is like, it's a problem actually, but it looks like they have their new Perfect 10. So these are their self-warming hand and cuticle mask. Ooh. Soften even ultra chapped hands and cuticles using your very own body heat. This sounds so cool. I definitely need this. The weather right now in winter is so dry. I feel like my lips are dry, my hands are dry, my feet are like, this is couldn't have come at a more perfect time. I'm excited to try these out. So they sent over a little Amazon gift card that says it's perfect for a movie and jammies kind of a night. And then in here we have, looks like some gloves or these socks. Ooh, yes. You guys know how much I love cozy things. These are cozy socks. Hello, this is amazing. So we have some little cozy socks in here. I'm definitely gonna go put these on right after the video. And then we have the Perfect 10. So they sent over two different ones of the, so these are the self-warming hand cuticle masks. They sent over two different ones of those. I'm definitely excited to try these out. They sound awesome. So each one has one treatment, so I'll be able to try it out twice. We also got some chocolate in here. This is some hot cocoa, so love that. They're giving us all the good things for like a cozy night. We also have, ooh, this is pretty, a nail polish color. So this is the London Town nail polish color. This is like a purpley color. It kind of looks like kind of holographic. It's really pretty. And then the last thing in here, it says warm twinkly lights. Oh, cool. So those are just like the little fairy lights. So one of those with like a little battery pack. That's really cool. This was such a sweet package from Patchology. But after that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these new launches. We also got to see a couple new brands in this video too, which always has me really excited. So leave a comment down below if there's any products that you guys want to see me talk more about or want to see in action. Let me know. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you guys go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.